We have reviewed Mobiistar devices in the past, and you can see our videos on the CQ and the XQ Dual here. So when we heard about the Vietnamese company launching a new mobile, we were curious. And what made this more interesting is that Mobiistar has decided to launch this phone only in the offline markets. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, today we are talking about the Mobiistar X1 Dual. The Mobiistar X1 Dual officially launches today. As you can see, the phone features a premium looking build and design. On the front of the device, we have a 5.7-inch HD Plus display. The phone is running on MediaTek quad-core processor and comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. The phone comes with 3000 mAh battery and is running on Android Oreo. Now coming to the cameras. On the back of the device, we have a single 13-megapixel camera, but the highlight of the phone is on its front. We have a 13-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel secondary camera, which lets you shoot super wide-angle photos, so which eases out if you are taking group selfies. And how good are these cameras? Well, here are some sample shots for you. The X1 Dual will be an offline specific phone, and we expect it to be quite popular in that market, especially because it's priced right at around the 11,000 mark. We had already used the Mobiistar CQ and the XQ Dual, and we are sure people would like this phone as well. As for the competition, we are pretty sure this phone will fare well against the phones available in brick and mortar stores, especially because of its premium feeling design and the fact that it comes with Android Oreo. However, we still feel that this phone lags behind the likes of Honor 9N and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, which are sold online but still lie in the same price range. Now coming to the pros and cons. While the X1 Dual is targeted mainly at the selfie taking crowd, what we like most about this phone is its design. It looks and feels great in hand and definitely does not belong in the budget range segment. We found the cameras to be decent too, especially the front camera. Another thing that we liked about this phone is its battery life. We have been using the phone for a couple of days now, and the battery life has been consistently good. As for the cons, we think at its price point, the phone could have used a better processor to make it a worthy competitor against its opponents. Also, the phone's UI could have been a lot better. So that brings us to the end of this video. We're really keen to see how the X1 Dual performs in offline market. If you're planning on buying this phone or have any questions about it, please leave your feedback and questions in the comments below, and we'll make sure our experts answer all your queries. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get all the latest stories from the tech world.